Could Dogecoin at any point certainly reach $10,000 in an unobtrusive manner? Examination of Dogecoin is a digital money in light of the well-known web image of a Shiba Inu canine, and in a real sense is much of the time called an image coin in an unobtrusive manner. It fundamentally utilizes blockchain innovation to consider distributed exchanges and generally has a limitless inventory, which for the most part is very huge. The cost of Dogecoin really is impacted by the interest for Dogecoins and the stock of Dogecoins by excavators. Request thusly is basically determined by installments, which certainly is very critical. In excess of 2,000 dealers by and large acknowledge Dogecoin in a significant manner. Throughout recent years, the dollar essentially has in a real sense lost huge worth versus Dogecoin. One more approach to in a real sense see it for the most part is in 2015. A fundamentally essential iPhone could generally be bought with 1.1 million Dogecoins. In 2023, a fundamental iPhone can by and large be bought with 11,000 Dogecoins, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin's value history. Cost developments truly are generally one of the significant variables to sort of decide and sort of foresee the cost of crypto, or so they thought. Beneath in a real sense is Doge's unsurpassed diagram. We can see that the coin especially crested at 56 cents in May 2021, and in every way that really matters, significant way. Doge is certainly the least value sort of was $0.00030 in January 2014, implying that it required 89 months for Dogecoin to arrive at its untouched extremely exorbitant cost of 56 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Note that it fundamentally was 1,866.6x development from its sort of the most reduced to its unsurpassed excessive cost, in spite of prevalent thinking. In the last lovely few years, Dogecoin value sort of has been generally impacted by the accompanying variables. Elon Musk's tweets notable traders starting to acknowledge Doge as installment cash in a significant manner especially. Liquidity in the market essentially is basically determined by taken care of's loan cost approaches, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Could Dogecoin at any point for the most part reach $1,000 in an extremely huge manner? Allow us truly to figure out how genuinely much time, hypothetically, should Dogecoin certainly take to especially arrive at a worth of $1,000. Doge generally needs to develop by multiple times to basically arrive at a worth of $1,000 in an unpretentious manner. At 11,000 for the most part times the by and large current value, the market cap of Dogecoin would be of unimaginable $129 trillion in principle. Additionally, this generally isn't practical however, given Dogecoin's market cap and supply of tokens. Dogecoin should truly be deflationary to basically have the option to truly reach $1,000. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $10,000? Which generally is very critical. Given the market cap necessities at a cost of $10,000 in a real sense arrives at huge number of trillions, it is very unimaginable for Dogecoin to reach $10,000. What especially is Dogecoin, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Dogecoin, Doge depends on the well-known Doge web image and highlights a Shiba Inu on its logo, which fundamentally is very critical. The open-source computerized money was made by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia, and was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. Which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin's makers in a real sense imagined it as a tomfoolery, carefree digital currency that would generally have more prominent essentially request past the center Bitcoin crowd since it depended on a canine image amazingly. Tesla president Elon Musk fundamentally posted sort of a few tweets on kind of web-based entertainment that Dogecoin in a real sense is his number one coin. How truly do you mine Dogecoin? Or so they thought. Dogecoin contrasts from Bitcoin's confirmation of work convention in for the most part multiple ways, one of which in every practical sense is by utilizing script innovation. The altcoin basically has likewise a block season of one moment, and the all-out supply fundamentally is uncapped, and that intends that there fundamentally is no restriction to the quantity of Dogecoin that can be mined, or so they basically thought. You can mine Dogecoin either solo or by joining a mining pool, or so they sort of thought. A Doge excavator can mine the computerized money on Windows, Macintosh or Linux and with a GPU. Starting around 2014, you can likewise mine Litecoin in a similar course of mining Dogecoin, as the cycles sort of were blended. What might Dogecoin at any point really be utilized for in a significant manner? Dogecoin especially has been utilized essentially as a tipping framework on Reddit and Twitter to compensate the creation or sharing of value content. in a kind of significant manner. You can get in a real sense tip Dogecoin by taking part locally that explicitly utilizes the computerized money. Or you can get your Dogecoin from a Dogecoin fixture in opposition to prevalent thinking. A Dogecoin spigot sort of is a site that will in every practical sense give you a modest quantity of Dogecoin for pretty free as a prologue to the money, so you can explicitly start connecting in Dogecoin people group. How might you essentially purchase Dogecoin in opposition to prevalent thinking? You can generally sell or in a real sense purchase Dogecoin at any trade that offers the computerized money, store it on a trade or in a Dogecoin wallet, and tip Dogecoin in any networks that acknowledge Dogecoin in a significant manner. For the most recent rundown of trades and exchanging matches for this cryptographic money, click on our Market Matches tab, which really is very huge. Elon Musk and Dogecoin. The outcome of Dogecoin in every practical sense is firmly entwined with Elon Musk's enthusiasm for it, which basically is genuinely huge. Musk started tweeting about Dogecoin in truly mid-2021, sharing a lion ruler Doge image, or so they generally thought. That launched an enraged Doge rally with impermanent dunks that really finished in Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live, which certainly is very critical. After the SNL appearance, Doge crashed regardless of Musk's particularly vows to moon its cost. Before very long, Musk appeared to in every way that really matters, lose interest, and the cost of Doge by and large has generally tumbled more than 70% from its unsurpassed high, which is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, Musk actually uses control over Dogecoin, as periodic tweets demonstrate in an especially significant manner. Dogecoin establishment and leading body of guides. In 2014, a not revenue-driven establishment was framed by individuals from the Dogecoin group to in every practical sense offer help, support, brand name security and administration for the digital money project, which in a real sense is very huge. Notwithstanding, the establishment was broken up over the long haul, which generally is genuinely critical. After in every practical sense quite a long while of being dormant, the establishment generally was relaunched in 2021 with a restored center around supporting the Dogecoin environment people group and advancing the eventual fate of the Dogecoin blockchain. Notwithstanding a portion of the kind of unique center group, the undertaking presently has some fundamentally prepared industry players as a component of its leading body of guides, which is very huge. As per the establishment's site, individuals from the board will meet month to month to explicitly examine issues connecting with Dogecoin in an unobtrusive manner. With respect to its councils, the gathering is comprised of Dogecoin organizer Billy Marcus, the Ventures Center engineer Max Keller, Ethereum pioneer Vitalik Buterin, and Elon Musk, as addressed by the top of the Musk's family office, Jared Birchall. Individuals from the leading group of counselors will work in different limits, while Keller